Hi guys, welcome back to another video where today we're checking out the 50th anniversary Bruce Lee Skyline set from INNO64. So without wasting any more time, let's jump straight in. Now I will be doing this in order, starting with the R31, which as you can see comes in the red style packaging, which I do believe matches the film posters. Now I'm not too sure if they do go in order, so someone please do let me know in the comments. But as you can see, it's got the Bruce Lee Legacy and the Legacy logo on the side, the Bruce Lee logo on the back, and obviously the Bruce Lee decals on the front as well. Which, as you can also see, this being the R31, not actually a GTR, a GTS R, it does say that in the top corner, which obviously is a nice little touch that they have got that actually right. But you can see that this model is very, very well done. Now, I've not actually checked an R31 out on the channel before, so I was super excited to check this model out. As you can see, detail wise and proportion wise, this model is really well done. You can see the wheels, they spin fairly well, and the tail lights are very well done. You can see they're caged off with the tail lights behind them, which again are very visible, and the small little spoiler, the front bumper, the grille, the headlights, everything is just very well done detail wise for this model. But not only is the detail of the actual model good, you can see the decals again are very well placed. You can see the decal on the side of the car matching the box, and also the Legacy logo on the bonnet with the "Don't Think, Just Feel," which was also a slogan of his, which is also on the actual outer packaging as well, which is really cool. But let me know what you think on this model down below. But that now brings us on to our second model, which is the Nissan Skyline R32, which as you can see, the slogan is a bit more visible on the front of this box, which says "Be Water, my friend," which was one of his most popular slogans or catchphrases back in his films or his interviews. And as you can see, like I say, just like the red, it's got the Legacy logo, the 50th anniversary, and same for all the decals on the box to match the car, which again is very cool if you do want to display them like that. But in my personal opinion, I would personally keep them in the boxes, as I don't think the models actually live up to the expectations. I think the R31 is very well done, but personally the R32 seems a little bit lackluster. I'm not sure what it is, but that grille just does not seem right to me at all for an INNO64 casting. Now, besides that on the grille, you can see the wheels are very nicely done, and there is a brake disc behind them. So overall, detail wise, it is very nicely done. You can see the decals are very nicely placed as well, with them all being super visible. And the rear of the model is very well done as well. Now, personally, I think the spoiler could be a little bit better done. Like I say, I'm not sure what they've done with the R32 casting. I don't know if this is an earlier tooling of it, but I do think they have got way better castings of the R32, which is such a shame. This model sits very nicely and the wheels suit it down to a T, and the decals do not ruin it at all. You can see they actually look very good on the model. So it's such a shame that the casting just does not seem right at all. But now let's move on to the third model, which as you can see is the Nissan Skyline R33, which again comes in the yellow style packaging with some really cool graphics on, and personally I do think this is my favourite graphic of all four of them. Now again, obviously the Legacy sticker on the side and the 50 Legacy on the top, with all the warnings on the bottom that you would need. You might have also got a glimpse that the box also had the slogan or the logo on the front that says "As you think, so shall you become," which again was another one of his favourite, or one of his more common catchphrases or slogans that he did say in his interviews, which again is quite cool that you've got it going through each model with something different about Bruce Lee and the history on, or the history with Bruce Lee, which again is quite cool. Obviously it is the 50th Legacy anniversary, whichever you want to put it. Now, just like the other two models, you can see the decals are very well detailed and super vibrant, super clear, and they all really stand out. You can see also again on the wing the Bruce Lee signature, which like I said is something that you will see as a continual theme throughout the video, and obviously the Bruce Lee signature on the plate as well, which again is just really cool to see. Now The bonnets have all got the legacy type decal on the front with slight changes with them, but again very similar. And obviously it has the logo on the top of the car, the "As you think, so shall you become," which again is very cool. And now let's move on to the fourth and final model of the video, which is the Nissan Skyline GTR R34, which as you can see comes in this really cool black packaging with obviously the Bruce Lee and all the different colours on the front, which again looks really cool. And you can see the logo on the front, holographic sort of slogan, which says "Using no way as way, having no limitations as limitations," which again, just like the other slogans, it was one of his more popular sayings that he did say. Now onto the actual car itself, you can see again, just like the others, you can see it's got the Bruce Lee signature at the bottom with the R34 and the same graphic as what's on the box as what's on the actual car as well, which again is really cool. Same with the Bruce Lee plate and obviously the "No way as way" slogan on the roof, just like the others. And again, the Bruce Lee window banner, and you'll also see the font for the signature on the spoiler as well, which again, just the continuity is very cool with that. And same with the celebrating 50 years, the Bruce Lee on the quarter panel on the rear, which again just looks really cool with the continuity between them all. You can see the wheels, they spin fairly well, and this cast does actually seem the correct cast for the R34. You can see the paint application is a little bit heavy on these models, but that's okay, as like I say, it's more focusing on the decals and the fact that it is the Bruce Lee 50th anniversary, which again, you can see that it does represent that very well, with the contrast between the decals with the white and the black, the titanium exhaust, which is really cool as well, nice attention to detail. They've even got the carbon bit on the back of the spoiler as well. In my opinion, this model is the best out of the four, part with the R31 as well. But let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. But I am going to wrap the video up here, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you have enjoyed, make sure to smash that like and subscribe if you are new. But thank you so much, and I'll see you all next time.